are making boba squishy. It's acrylic marker. It's famous. Dun, dun, dun. Can I borrow it? Okay, show yourself. She's making a boba squishy, but it's not even a circle. I don't think this is a Roblox warmers. Please. Alright. I think this is okay now. We just need to be extra careful. Ano tunang? Mami, sabi ni Tita Jinjin, ano tunang?
Magpalinis si mami ko. Sabi mo,